We have the global liquidity chart, and I'll put this one up on the big screen so you can see it here, but you can see it ebbs and flows over the course of several years. And you can see if I move my face here that we've been ticking up in liquidity here since the end of 2022 and the beginning of 2023, which was exactly when we got the bottom on Bitcoin chart. This cycle is predicted to peak somewhere in mid 2026. Now, will that be the exact peak of crypto? I don't know. Of course, if it peaks in 2026, that would mean that it's been the longest cycle in crypto history, and one could argue a super cycle. Now, I have to claim some clout here, because if you're new in crypto, you might not know this, but I was making bearish videos, like literally bearish videos, talking about how it was all going to crash, it was all going to burn all throughout 2022. And then right here, I made a video saying this is a new bull market. And the reason why I called it a new bull market was because the Federal Reserve, which created this market-wide collapse by tightening rates, stealth printed trillions of dollars by bailing out several banks in March of 2023. And I said, you know what? That's it. They've reached their line. They won't go any further than this. And that's where they're going to be drawing their lines to say, okay, you know what? We're not going to stimulate this beast anymore. We're going to be hands off. And that's when they reached their line and said, we're going to step in and save the markets. So to me, that was enough of a change in policy. Even though they didn't start quantitative easing, even though they kept raising rates, the reality was there was a backstop that got put in, a massive one. And just to be clear, calling bottoms and tops isn't enough. I think that you have to stay consistent throughout. And ever since then, I haven't had a moment where I flip-flopped between bullish and bearish. I've stayed bullish and I've stayed on a consistent message because that was what the audience needed to hear to remain in this market. And even at times I felt like I was going insane because I felt like maybe, just maybe, I might be wrong, but I had so much faith that this was what was happening based on all my research that I stuck with it. So I'm really proud of this moment. Make no mistake, this is a massive euphoric win for me and for this audience. So shout out to all of you